Ready to shout from the rooftops about your amazing experience at your favorite salon? This is how to leave a glowing review on GlossGenius. First, make sure you have the GlossGenius app downloaded. If you haven't already, many businesses use GlossGenius, so you'll want the app to be able to leave a review. Find the salon or beauty professional you want to review. You can usually do this through your appointment history within the app, or search for them directly. Once you're on their profile page, look for a button that says something like Review, Leave a Review, or even just a star rating system. It's usually located near their contact information or services listed. Tap the button and you'll be taken to the review writing screen. Here, you can select a star rating 5 stars for an exceptional experience, of course, and write a detailed description of your visit. Be honest and specific in your review. Mention what you loved about the service, the atmosphere, or anything that stood out to you. This helps other customers and the business itself. Once you're happy with your review, hit that submit or post button and that's it. Your review is now live, helping others discover amazing beauty professionals. Your feedback not only helps other customers make informed decisions, but also gives valuable insights to the business, allowing them to improve and continue providing excellent service. Thanks for sharing the love.